The lace on these WOWAfrican wigs never miss, y'all. It literally looks like this wig is growing out of my scalp. The lace is impeccable. Their HD lace is on another level.
No, you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet.
So I just got off TikTok live. I styled this hair for y'all. I really like this makeup look. If you missed out on this live makeup tutorial, make sure you go follow me on TikTok so you don't miss out. So today we're doing this half up, half down hairstyle with this bang. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous with this ombre Yaki straight hair. I want to thank WOWAfrican Hair for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. It has been a minute since I've done a frontal wig. The frontal wig just snatches your face, okay? I've been doing a lot of glueless closure wigs, which are super easy to install and everything, but there is nothing like a frontal wig, especially when that lace just freaking blends. Listen, this wig looks so damn good. This is a full 360 wig, so you can actually wear it up in a high ponytail or bun if you would like. This wig is super versatile. It has lace all the way around the wig, okay? But I'm gonna unbox this wig. I'm gonna show you all the specs. I'm gonna show you exactly how I styled her up. So if you would like to see that, definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from WOWAfrican Hair. It looks like they've changed up their packaging. This used to be in like a dark navy box, and then your wig also arrives in a satin bag, and y'all already know I like to restore my wigs in these bags. Before we open up the wig, let's see what kind of freebies they sent with this wig purchase. So the wig did arrive with this thank you card. First up is this rat tail comb. Next up is this HD wig cap. It also came with this black edge brush and 2 duck wig clips. So let's go ahead and see what the wig looks like now. This wig is an ombre Yaki straight 360 frontal wig. As you can see, it has a nice brown color on the ends, and then the roots are darker in color. I haven't had a dark brown wig like this in a long time. I think this is gonna look really nice on. And this wig does have a density of 180%, y'all. It is very, very thick. So here is a close-up of the hairline. It does have tiny knots on the hairline and they're lightly bleached. It has a pre-plucked hairline. The excess lace is still attached to the wig, and it is a full 360. So it has lace all the way around it. So you can wear this in a high ponytail or bun if you would like. There's also some shorter hairs in the back right here if you want to pull that out when you wear the hair in a ponytail or bun. So here is the inside of the cap. As you can see, there is deep parting space in the middle here. I think that's about 6 inches of parting space in the middle area here. The wig cap has 2 wig combs inside. It has 1 wig comb in the back, and it also has this adjustable elastic band strap. So I went ahead and added my liquid foundation underneath the lace so that it would blend in with my skin. This is HD lace, y'all. WOWAfrican wigs always blend into my skin so flawlessly, so I'm very excited to see how this wig is going to look once I install it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this elastic band strap, and we're going to install the wig that way first. It makes it nice and secure on the head, y'all. And then I'm going to move the lace back to where I want it to be. It gives you quite a bit of excess lace here, y'all. Do y'all see this hairline? It looks really nice and natural, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all a little closer for this install. I will not be talking through the install, but I am gonna use this Ebon Wonderlace adhesive spray. This stuff is really bomb. This is the sensitive one. I recently started using this one and I really like it. So this is what I'm gonna be using to install the wig, and I'm also gonna be using eyebrow scissors to cut off all this excess lace around my ear. So let's get into the install.
same way you used to. I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride.
So I just did my makeup live on TikTok. I had a lot of fun filming this pinky soft glam look with y'all. I am about to go on a date with my boo. So I want to do something really simple with my hair. Here is what the hair is looking like right now. It's this gorgeous ombre color. As you can now see, this hairline looks so dang good. WOWAfrican wigs never miss when it comes to that hairline. It is so official, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some hair in the front here. So here's the hair I'm pulling out in the front. Next, I'm gonna take out just a little bit of hair here because we're gonna do a half up, half down type hairstyle. So I'm first gonna take my wax stick and put it all along this hairline area to get this area nice and slicked back. In the meantime, I'm gonna take this piece here and I'm gonna take my wax stick down here as well. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side. Next, I'm gonna shorten this piece in the front. And I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. So now I'm gonna take this hot comb and just press it through the hair up top to get that nice and flat. And then I'm gonna take my flat iron and we're gonna get this bang. I'm just tucking the underside just a little bit, like so. And I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. So next I'm just gonna take the pieces on the bottom and I'm gonna go over it with a flat iron. The hair is already straight, but I just wanna get it a little bit more sleek than it already is. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well. So next I'm gonna go ahead and get this top ponytail prep. So y'all already know I use the wax stick. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take my hot comb and try to get this parting area out of here because it was already in a middle parting when I received it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray. This is the Sebastian Shaper Plus. And then I'm gonna take this teasing brush and use it just to sleek back this hair. All right, let's go ahead and put this baby in a ponytail. Next, I'm just gonna straighten the hair in the ponytail as well, so it's nice and sleek like the rest of the hair. So here is the finished hair, y'all. I think that this wig install turned out super cute. A lot of you gave me so many compliments on TikTok when I went live asking about the hair and the hairline. Now we've got this baby nice and styled. This texture looks really nice and natural, and it definitely can hold a curl as well. And I was able to mold this wig into a ponytail ponytail really easily as well. If you're interested in checking out this wig from WOWAfrican, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Thank y'all so much for your continued love and support. I truly do appreciate it. And if you have not already checked out my latest video, what are you doing? I post videos 3 times a week on this channel. Go ahead and check the last video out right here.